Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel that explores the future of machines, engineering excellence, and next-generation technology. Today's video dives into one of the most anticipated upcoming military aircraft projects, the new 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41, a fighter concept that aims to redefine speed, stealth, and long-range power in aerospace history. The MiG-41 is envisioned as the successor to the iconic MiG-31 Interceptor. Where the MiG-31 dominated the skies with raw speed and high-altitude performance, the MiG-41 takes those foundations and pushes them into a new era. Designed to operate in extreme conditions and confront modern threats, the 2026 MiG-41 represents the idea of a hyper-advanced interceptor built for the next generation of warfare. At the heart of the MiG-41's concept is its futuristic airframe. Expected to utilize cutting-edge composite materials and radar-absorbing surfaces, the aircraft is shaped for stealth and efficiency. Its sharp edges, elongated fuselage, and blended wing design aim to reduce its radar signature while enabling stability at ultra-high speeds. The structure is engineered to withstand thermal stress during near-hypersonic flight, making durability just as important as low observability. One of the most talked-about features of the MiG-41 is its predicted speed capability. Early reports and concept proposals suggest that this aircraft could move beyond Mach 4, potentially entering hypersonic territory. Achieving this would require next-generation propulsion systems, possibly combining advanced turbojet and ramjet technology. If these projections come true, the MiG-41 would become one of the fastest operational aircraft ever created, able to intercept threats long before they reach strategic targets. Speed is only one part of the MiG-41's mission. The aircraft is also expected to carry a powerful suite of sensors, electronic warfare tools, and long-range detection systems. With advanced radar arrays and possibly even infrared anti-stealth detection capability, the MiG-41 aims to detect, track, and engage modern stealth aircraft and hypersonic weapons. Its electronic defense systems are designed to protect it in contested environments where traditional aircraft struggle to survive. The MiG-41's role is projected to focus heavily on interception and air dominance. The aircraft may carry long-range air-to-air missiles, hypersonic interceptors, and possibly directed energy weapon concepts designed for future threats. Its mission is straightforward but vital: neutralize high-value airborne targets, protect borders, and react to emerging threats faster than any existing interceptor. This makes it a crucial asset in a world where aerial warfare is evolving rapidly. As the 2026 MiG-41 continues to generate interest and speculation, the world watches closely. If the final aircraft lives up to its projected capabilities, it could reshape the strategic balance in air defense. It represents a glimpse into the future where speed, stealth, and advanced technology merge into a single platform designed to outperform anything in the sky. The new 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 stands as a symbol of next-generation aviation, blending futuristic engineering with strategic power. Whether these predictions become reality or evolve into something even more advanced, the MiG-41 captures the imagination of aviation enthusiasts and defense analysts across the globe. Thank you for watching Bike Shift. Stay tuned for more technology and future machine explorations.